Welcome to the English Shoelace channel. Victory feels so satisfying. It's already 11:30 p.m. tomorrow. I'll wake up at 6:30 a.m. I'll write 20 pages and go to the gym.
Open the door, Ryan. Hey, did you sleep in those clothes? So, your paper. How many pages did you write last night?
They're comfortable. I was just about to start.
The game controller is on the floor.
That's where I keep it, Maya. You actually came?
Get up. Without me, you'd sleep until noon.
Maya is scary but effective. Now I'm awake at 7:30 a.m. You don't have to cook for me.
I know. After breakfast, we go to the library.
Yes, 20 pages. This is really good. You're a great cook.
Don't talk with food in your mouth. I made eggs. It's easy.
I'll wash these later.
Why not now? Your hands are already wet. Go shower. Now.
She even brought shampoo. She knows me too well.
Library. 2 hours. No distractions.
At the mall, I just need something. 5 minutes. A wireless mouse.
Ryan, you have 0 pages written.
I'm starving. My energy is low. Now I'm ready. I'll write everything. I work better under pressure.
Start now. Words?
300. I'll speed up. Done.
The submission link closed at 6. I thought it was 8.
That invitation in your bag. You saw it. She said I control people. Do you?
Maybe a little. What does RSVP mean?
It means please reply. I sent a reply for her. Sorry, my cat is having babies. I can't come.
You don't even have a cat. That's not my answer.
Today was a waste. Was it? I learned something. There's a word for what you are. Friend, procrastination is a real problem. It means you say later, but never do it. I did that all day.
Me too. With the invitation. Tomorrow, 6:30. Go to sleep.
Tomorrow, I'll change.